Hey guys, it's Buckrock78 here. Today we're with Butthole 999. And today we're gonna be doing some crazy burps with the Mountain Dew volTage. So yeah guys, if we can hit 500 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway. But yeah, let's get into the burping. Yeah. I think I'm drooling a little. Oh, that was a big one. Here we go. I'm going to chart it so I can have a super long one. That was mine. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Don't forget to like it on that subscribe button. And yeah, see you later. Peace.